Alright, so the first step in logging into your router to update its router firmware software is to figure out the default gateway or the IP address of that router. So what you're going to want to do is on your PC, make sure that you're connected to the internet through your router and your device is connected to the router, and then click on the start menu icon down here, type in CMD for command prompt, and make sure you hit run as administrator, hit yes, and then we're going to type in IP config, hit enter. And what we're looking for is the default gateway numbers. So we'll write that down so you remember it. And you can type this in any web browser, Microsoft Edge, Google, Firefox. For me, I'm using Edge up in the address bar up here. So you type those numbers that we just figured out what they were, and it will pop up a interface. And in order for you guys, if this is your first time signing into it, in order to figure out what the username and password is of your device, it's basically on the bottom of your device. You just flip it upside down or on the back, and it'll have a white tag, and it'll tell you what your username and your password is. So you just type in your password and your username. Hit enter, and it'll take you to your router. And basically, in order to upgrade the router firmware, a lot of routers have it under admin or administration. For me, it's under administration, and what you're looking for is firmware upgrade or router firmware. You're going to click that and then check update, and the router will actually check to see if it needs to update, and it'll ask you if it wants to update after it's found one, if there is an update. Basically, if you do start updating, you might lose internet connection for 2 or 3 minutes until it reboots after upgrading. And for me, I've already been updated. Well, I hope this video has helped you guys improve your home network, maybe increase your speeds or fix your internet connection, or just give you some good information. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. I will try to answer all the comments as fast as I can and the best of my ability. But yeah, I will catch you all in the next video.